sir. Kayaks are getting ready. Got to load all this stuff up. Hunters are putting in. Real Killer Fishing is loading down.
What's happening?
We're getting ready. We're trying to hurry up and get out there on the water. We don't want to miss that beautiful topwater action. So let's get to it. All right, a little bit of, look at this. Look at that giant swim bait he's rocking down there. He's bringing that with him. He's getting rigged up. I'm rigged up and ready. Bradley's getting there. We're about to get out on this water. Long sleeves waiting for us. Them big fat Sallies are waiting to get whacked. First fish wasn't even on video. Bradley's freaking fishing without us.
Hey, I was just getting a kink out of my line.
Got Real Killer Fishing up there. He's about to be in the water. First bass of the day. Bradley's not getting skunked. What'd you catch that on?
Man, the other day we were out fishing. I found this little.
He choked whatever it is.
It's a little mouse lure.
Oh man. Oh, that white one?
White on red. It's kind of like a little rubber frog. I'm gonna have
Push
to
in.
Yeah, here, you want to try that?
Yeah.
Because he is.
Hold on to the pliers. Hold the pliers. There you sir. Let's take a look. See here. Let Dr. Matt. Wow. Big boy, huh? Choking that. You're right at the bottom of your gill plate. So we gotta hurry up and remove this hook safely. Just like so.
Oh my goodness, you're a master.
Real quick. Let's get a release on Bradley's beautiful fish.
Oh, and he swam away.
Oh, bam. Let's get some more, y'all. I've had some good luck right here, too. Oh, there went a big one right there. Got him. Nice one. Not bad.
Got a little frogfish.
There he is. Put some slack in this line. Everybody else can see. There he is. Not bad. All right, so far this frog is worth the $10.50 I paid. That S Pro caught me a nice little fishy. All right, man, it looks like something hit blood on him. There he is, Bradley.
Not bad at all.
Put him in the water. Watch him take off. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Pedaling through the pads like a boss. Look at that, Real Killer Fishing. If y'all ain't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Look at that monster.
He broke me off, bro.
No, dude, they've got big, scary teeth.
Dude, that was sick, though.
I'll cast this edge line out. See if we can land us a toad. Oh, I spooked one right in front of me. Are you kidding me? I hope y'all can see that frog down there. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, let's get me caught up. Good brain. Look at that, y'all. First bass of the day is a slab. That's 3 all day. Maybe 4 plus. We'll find out. Clear some of that. Look at that. He choked that frog. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Get that frog out. What do y'all think?
Pretty bad. Yeah, nice color.
Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Hope y'all saw that blow up. Huh? Let's see. All right, you're getting me to do it. Breaking the scale out. All right. We are on zeroed. 313. Let's get a release. Let that beautiful girl go out here. Long slew, y'all. Let's get some more. He's down. Let's see if that bass is still in there. Oh, he is. There he is. Nope, sit down before you fall out. He's a little one.
Yeah.
Punched him through the grass though. Nice. Oh, come out of there. Yep, but he's a fish though. He counts. Please tell me I was rolling. Yes. All right. Let's get that guy back in the water. Oh, your butthole. Come on, dude. That wasn't necessary, was it? Yes. Number three. Number three. This guy has been tore up by something. Goodness. 2 on the frog, 1 on the punching setup. Another little guy. 1 decent fish today though. We can see that. Let's get him down in there. Ooh. Awesome. All right, everybody, we are getting ready. We're closing out the day. Caught some nice fish, I think.
Oh yeah, we killed it today. Got us some alligator and all that.
Oh yeah, you'll see that on his channel. Make sure you go check out ReelKillerFishn. I'll drop a link down below to his channel. Awesome content, catching monsters and his baits. I'm super jealous. I'm super jealous. But we had a blast, y'all. We caught a lot.
For sure.
Oh yeah. Y'all want to say anything?
Y'all check out Optimized Outdoors. Come over, check out my channel at ReelKillerFishn. Check me out on Instagram. And other than that, do like I always say, be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Get your line wet and go get bent.
I want to add in this man's Instagram. I was just looking over. He's got a great Instagram, folks. Definitely give that a look. And yeah, give us a woo!
Woo!